sort of living around zero, but in a really complicated way.
I got inspired to this fabulous comment, which almost has 1,000 likes. Wow, you just described my bank account. Dr. Holly Krieger inspired me. Stefan, not so rich. I seem to hit a nerve there. So at least my comments have some likes. I hope we can do the same for the videos too, because I have feelings. I need some encouragement, or maybe even some customers to keep going, because good things are coming. New thing is called the Parrot. You can just, it's a bot, you can just talk to it, and you can make it say things by typing this, and it will think about what you say. You just give it a list of functions, just some functions from the large arsenal in JavaX. And the idea is it will combine these functions automatically. And whenever something is good, you can, as usual, give some feedback on it, or accept the answer actually. So right now it just tries the functions each on its own and on the input. So reversed reverses the input string. So if I say, yeah, this is exactly what I wanted, I can make the bot say this. Well, it doesn't seem to say it acoustically right now, but it posts it. So, and we can just make lots of these little dialogues, save them, of course, and this will be our database of teaching the bot, our textbooks for the bot. What we need here is more combinations, like combining these functions. This function gives us all the pairs of input lines where I said something and the bot said something afterwards. This is a function that gives me the first element of a list, and this looks into a pair, for example one of these, and gives me the second part of it. And with this button I can have all these functions compiled and baked into a new little program which is loaded, so the bot can play with it. And the goal for the bot always is to reproduce the dialogue, either just the bot lines, or if it's really smart, reproduce the whole dialogue, also the user parts. Let's say I say take 1, and make the bot say take 2. You might see where this is going. And if we have 1 or 2 appropriate functions in here, the bot should be able to build the code. It actually builds code here, it builds a short little code snippet by combining these functions. And it should really be able to do this for lots of fairly simple cases, because this gives it something to play with. At first I thought about having a machine that finds any patterns in dialogues like this, and that's too much at once. Try anything you can think of, it's too much. It's not computationally feasible. But if we put in a list of things that might matter, that changes the game. That is a very good collaboration of human and computer intelligence. And now I will make this work.